to get the music pick feature on Instagram. First, update your Instagram to latest version from Play or App Store. Now, after updating, open your Instagram and go to Stories. Now check the sticker section to find out if you have got the music pick feature in your Instagram or not. If you have the music pick feature, here you will find the music pick option. But I don't have the feature too, so you won't see the option. But don't worry if you don't have the feature. Just check my story and from here use the story. If you don't find the story here, then check my song sticker highlights. You will find these stickers here. Now just click on Add Yours and now add the song you want to add in it. And now you are ready to post in your story. You can check my other highlights for more stickers.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.